This video will demonstrate how to use content labeling and advanced search queries in WebHelp Responsive Output. This functionality was introduced in Oxygen Feedback 4.0. Content labels allow users to search for documents based on their associated labels, while advanced search queries are specialized and complex queries that allow users to fine-tune their search results and retrieve more specific and precise results. First, we'll demonstrate content labeling. Labels are specialized data keywords that must be associated to a data topic within the prologue section. Oxygen XML Editor, or Author, includes an insert label action that makes this very easy. You can right-click anywhere in the editor, go to the Insert submenu, and select Insert Label. We'll give it a text value, and we'll switch to text mode to show that it automatically added the required structure within a prologue element. The label is defined in the keyword element, which must have an output class attribute set to label. Note that it could also be defined using a keyref. Now, the default search engine that comes embedded in WebHelp Responsive Output doesn't support labels or advanced queries. So to enable this advanced functionality, you must first embed Oxygen Feedback in your published WebHelp Responsive Output, and you must configure the default search engine to use Oxygen Feedback's engine. Details for how to embed feedback can be found in our video How to Install Oxygen Feedback in WebHelp Output, and the link to that video can be found in the description. To configure Oxygen Feedback as the search engine for WebHelp, you need to enable the content indexing functionality in the Oxygen Feedback admin interface. To do so, go to the settings page for the particular version that you want the default engine replaced. Scroll down to the content indexing and search section and click the edit button to expand it. The content indexing plays a critical role in the search process by serving as a map for Oxygen Feedback to help quickly and efficiently locate relevant content based upon user queries. When it crawls the output, it indexes the content of each page, creating a searchable record of HTML content, and the index stores information about the content of each page, such as the text and title, as well as metadata, such as keywords and index terms. You need to select the checkbox to enable the content indexing functionality. Then click Save to complete the configuration, and the indexing process is automatically triggered. Now we'll go to the corresponding WebHelp output to show the content labeling functionality in action. Notice that the corresponding topic has the perennial plant label that we defined, and clicking the label returns search results for all topics that have the same label defined in their prologue section. Advanced search queries typically involve the use of various operators, modifiers, and syntax rules to narrow down the search results and focus on particular criteria. They are particularly useful when users want to find specific content or when standard keyword searches yield too many irrelevant results. After configuring the default search engine to use Oxygen Feedback's engine, users can perform various advanced search queries in WebHelp Responsive Output. Some common types of supported advanced queries include Boolean queries, phrase searches, wildcard searches, regular expression searches, proximity searches, and boosting. Now we'll go to the corresponding WebHelp output to show an example. This regular expression query returns results that contain either the word tropical or subtropical. That concludes this tutorial about using content labeling and advanced search queries in WebHelp Responsive Output after configuring it to use the Oxygen Feedback search engine. Thank you for watching, and don't miss the related videos listed in the description. As always, we also welcome your feedback and suggestions.